Welcome to the program. Benchmark view second half, starting with, let's do number 10. Given f of x equals 2x plus 4 and g of x is equal to x raised to the second minus 3. They ask you for four different things. The first thing they ask you for is f of negative 3. Well, that's just f of x, but instead of x we substitute in negative 3, so this is 2 times negative 3 plus 4. So this ends up being negative 6 plus 4, which is equal to negative 2. For part B, they ask for f of x plus 3. So what you have to do there is substitute in the whole thing, x plus 3, every time you see x. So this will be 2x plus 3 plus the 4. This is 2x plus 6 plus 4. This is equal to 2x plus 10. Okay? And they also ask for, I'm sorry, that was C. So that was part C. So let's just change that to C. B was g of 2. G of 2. We'll go back to the function g of x is just here. We plug in g2 for x. We get 2 raised to the second minus 3. This is equal to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. The last one, D, is g of 3x. Every time we see an x in the function g, we're going to substitute in 3x. So that gives us 3x raised to the second minus 3. This is equal to 9x squared minus 3. Okay? 9x squared minus 3 is the final answer. Alright, number 11 is very similar. Two different givens. We have 5 minus 2x as our f of x. Alright, this is number 11. F of x. G of x is x raised to the second plus 7x. For part A, they ask for what? F of negative 2. F of negative 2 is equal to f of x, but instead, everywhere that we see an x, substitute in the value negative 2. This is going to give us 5 plus 4, which is 9. Okay? Part B, they want g of negative 1 is what? Negative 1 raised to the second. Well, g of x is here, right? So negative 1 raised to the second plus 7 times negative 1. This will be positive 1 minus 7. This is negative 6. Okay? Part C, f of x minus 5. This is equal to what? 5 minus 2 parentheses x minus 5. Now we have 5 minus 2x plus 10. This is equal to negative 2x plus 15. And last but not least, part D, they want g of 6x, meaning we put in 6x to the function g of x, which is equal to x raised to the second plus 7x, but we substituted in the value 6x, 4x. So 7 times 6x. Right? So 6x raised to the second will be 36. We square the constant, then we square the variable, plus 42x, and that's the end of it. Okay? Thank you for watching.